Okay, so we have started JavaScript. We have already completed 2 classes of JavaScript. So I hope you guys are enjoying the classes. Okay, so today we'll again start JavaScript. You guys having any problem of understanding JavaScript? In the last class, we have learned till objects or functions. We'll start objects, right? Or we have done the objects. We have done, I believe.
तो हेलो।
Hello, hello. Yes.
तो एक बार सिंटैक्स और ये ऑपरेटर्स वाला बताओ ना। आपका ऑपरेटर्स के बाद बंद हो गया था वो जो आपने वीडियो भेजा था।
एक्चुअली हाँ, बंद हो गया था क्योंकि वो वीडियो नहीं हुआ, इसलिए मैंने आज शेयर किया। आ, ओके, मैं ये तुम्हें बता दूंगा, बट मतलब अब क्या होगा ना, बताऊंगा तो बहुत टाइम लगेगा। मैं तुम्हें ये बाद में एक टाइम करके कॉल में या मीट करके अकेले में बता दूंगा, क्योंकि अगर ये बताऊंगा तो इट्स लाइक 30 to 1 hour लगेगा कि।
ठीक है सर, आप बाद में बता देना, चलेगा।
हाँ हाँ
बाद में बता देना सर, चलेगा।
हाँ हाँ, मतलब
ओके,
मैं भी
थैंक यू।
सोच रहा था, बट अभी बताऊंगा तो टाइम लगेगा। ठीक है, तो मैं बाद में बता दूंगा। एक एक्स्ट्रा
ओके
क्लास रख के जो जो क्लास में नहीं था उन लोग को बता दूंगा। ठीक है।
ओके सर, थैंक यू।
ओके, सो आज क्या है, जावास्क्रिप्ट ऑब्जेक्ट्स। ऑब्जेक्ट है, राइट। ऑब्जेक्ट से स्टार्ट करते हैं, पता नहीं क्या हुआ था, ऑब्जेक्ट से स्टार्ट करते हैं, ठीक है। तो अच्छा अच्छा, ऑब्जेक्ट्स, ऑब्जेक्ट मेथड जावास्क्रिप्ट। ओके, ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है, मतलब अगर मैं बोलूं लेट करके एक कार्ड वेरिएबल लिया, कार्ड ऑब्जेक्ट लिया, और उसका नाम दिया फिएट, उसका नाम है, ठीक है। सो ये वैल्यू का मतलब है कि यू कैन सी हियर कांस्टेंट। ओ, आई एम टॉकिंग इन हिंदी, सॉरी। ओके, सो दिस इज द वैल्यू लेट, and let is the initialization is like late constant variables. You know that part, late. And is the next is card. Card is the new object. We are creating an object named card, and this is the object name that is fired. Okay, this is the actual meaning of the whole key code. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so done. This time this is done, right? Okay, so next we move on to a code. Let's go to a code. Okay, try it yourself. Okay, here you can see create an object. How you are creating an object? We are saying is a const person. Const is like a constant keyword. That value can't be changed. If we use let, that is the same thing. So what you are initializing here is the first name. The first name is John. The name of the character is John. Okay. Then Doe is the surname. Then its age like 50. Okay. And his eye color is blue. Okay. Blue. Then so now what we are targeting is like we are getting a document.get element by ID, and then the demo it's we have done is lots of time. I feel it's like rectification is like you got everything about this topic. Next, what we are trying to do, see here, this part only. Okay. Wait. See this part only. This part only. Okay. Only this part. What we are targeting here, we are saying person dot first name. Let's take another one. Let's take this one only. Okay. You are saying person. What is person? This is the object. Okay. Person is the object with dot apart. With dot operator, we are fetching the data of the first name, that is first name. Now we are targeting, this is the object, this is the first name, this is the class name, is like inner object. You are targeting this value with a dot operator per object, dot operator and the value. And what is the value of the first name? The print will be John. So here you can see person dot first name will give you a output called John. And next is this is a person dot age. Here you can see person dot age is 50. So age is 50 and years old. Am I clear? I believe I am. Okay. So okay, so am I clear, right? If you face any problem, you can say in this code. Okay, I believe there is nothing. So this is the same thing. Okay, this is how we are initializing a value. Okay, this is a different one, but the same thing. Here you can see this is a null object. The object value currently is null. Is null. Now I am putting a value. Let's say the object name is const dot, maybe taking any one of your names. Saul is coming here after a long time, so we're taking his name. Const Sahul. So here you can see this is an empty string. You can say if you don't attend the class, he has zero knowledge of JavaScript. So now he is attending a first class, that's Sahul, and he is attending first class, first dot first, and maybe you can use class here. That first class is equal to is saying that he gained basic knowledge. Okay, so there is a class the Sahul, then the first class will be basic. Again, if we attend classes for next class, second class, he maybe have a medium knowledge. Okay. So what it will print, the object is closed. So now in this object, this is not null. Here the values are first class is equal to basic and a comma. This is in the string format. Okay. This is in the string and a comma, and the second class is equal to medium. I hope you get the idea. Okay. And the bracket is closed. Okay. So this is the entire thing. Now, so now if I want to print the value, print it, here you can see. Now I am to display the object. That is a document.getElement by ID is like demo, and person.first name, here it is first name John, and it is a person.age. You can see person.age 50. So here after this, you can see John is 50 years old. Okay. Next, we're moving to our topic called create an object is done. This. Here you can see this is the ultimate thing, object.property name. What is the property? You can just need to keep that object.property name. Okay, object.property name. I'm also again revising it. I have talked it about multiple times. This is a string format. This is a number format. This is a Boolean format. This is also a Boolean format. This is true Boolean. That is the true statement, is a false statement. Okay. This is null. This is a null object. Object can be null. This is no value is there present. Okay. And undefined is nothing defined. If I say const class is equal to nothing, zero. This is an undefined object. Okay. Okay. Yes. Next, we have completed the object part. Next, we go to the object properties. Objects is very different, is a very important topic of JavaScript. Okay. Next, we'll start with on. Okay, so you have done this, you have done this. Okay, now we are talking about deleting an object. If you want to delete an object, you just need to do simple things like this is the code. We just need to delete that person.age. So when we are talking the person.age, there's nothing, there's topic undefined because person.age is nothing here. It's not present here. Okay, it's deleted. Okay, here you can also pin one thing, like you can see this is the object, and I'm talking about let p1 is equal to my cars, let p2 is equal to cart2. This was my object. Okay, now I want to print my object p1 p2. So what it will print? It will print, it will go like my cars, and first it will go to my cars because this is another object, and next this is there's another object p2, that is the, that you can see cart2. So it will come here, it will come here like this is the my cards. We'll take the my cards from here in the my object. There it is. Okay, first we're clearing it again. This is the first creating object. This is the object. Okay, name my object. Inside the object, there is another object called my cards. So to fetch the my object, to fetch the my cards, we'll go to my object, then p1. P1 is a value, is a my cards. Next, we are putting my cards. P1. Okay, let P1 is going to my cars. And next to P2, where P2 is B card is like P2 is the card 2. And when you get the card 2 value, we're getting the value of BMW. Okay, clear? I'm again talking about in the object, there's another object called card. To fetch the card, we need to go to my object. It's like here it is object, object. If say card is equal to P1, P1, and there is a three objects for 1, 2, 3. Next we go to P1, next we go to 2. And to get a 2's value, maybe it's BMW. Now it will print BMW. Okay. Is you talking anything? Is anyone talking anything? Is anyone saying anything? Maybe, okay, maybe not. So this is the object parts, properties. Then next we go to the methods. Okay, so we come here. Here you can see this is the property name, this is the values. We have completed that. Next we come here. There's a topic called this. Okay, this is a very important keyword. The keyword name is this. Okay, so what does it mean? If you say this is an object, now in the function we are talking about return this dot first name. This will return to the first name of John, and this dot last name will go to the Doe. So it will refer to John Doe. Okay. So what is this? This dot first name means the first name property of a person, and this dot last name means the last name property of the object. This refers to person object here. Here this is a person object. Okay. Is my screen visible? Okay, I believe it's where shares. Okay.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay. So it's the same properties I've talked about. Uh, Here you can do one thing. We can use JavaScript methods. Here you can see this will convert the letters in uppercase format. So, so what is this? This is an object, and the method is function person dot name is equal to function. What this function returns? Okay, I'm just revising the function topic. Function is like whatever you're working in, maybe the function, how it works. And here you write that how it works, the code. And when you're calling the my function, then the function calls and work has been done. You give input here and the output will be printed from here. There's a return statement. Okay. I've covered this topic in the last class. Okay. So here, this is the first name and this is the last name. Two uppercase. What this two uppercase? This is an inbuilt library of JavaScript. It just uppercasing every font you have. If it's AALOK, then it AALOK. Okay, it will get uppercased. So here you can see that my document will get midnight ID. In addition, my father name is dot person name. Person name having a function that is it will print the uppercase format. The name is uppercase format, so it will get prints in uppercase format. So this is all about it. Next. Okay, so methods are completed. We'll go to display. How I need to display? Display we have already done. Okay. Here you can see this is the display format. So we could try that. So here you can see JavaScript objects. The object entries. Should the each one check this tags? So next step. Checked it. Done. Now we'll go to the script part where you are saying this is an object called fruit, and this fruit has a banana, orange, apple, and we are taking another object called text. Okay. So in this text, this is a null object, and we are saying talking about like for let fruits come amount of object dot entries of fruits text plus one fruit and plus one. Okay, did not understand that. Now let's understand this topic. Okay, so here you're talking about, let's see, this is a text where nothing is initialized here. So we are talking about let fruits slash amount, that is the fruits, that is the amount of object dot entries. And what is the entry called fruit? We are talking about the text plus is equal to fruit plus amount. So here it will get like, what is the fruit name? This is the fruit name. Next, what you want? The amount. Next, what you want? The BR. BR tag indicates what? A single line. So it will print in another line. Okay. For is a loop. So in this loop, the value first, the value from 1, then it will go to 2, then it will go to 3. So it will continue doing that. So the first case 1 is like banana, and the value is 300. Next is oranges, the value is 200, and this is apples, the value is 500. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, next, that is using JSON.stringify. JavaScript objects can be converted to string with a JSON method. JSON.stringify. JSON stringify is included in JavaScript and supported in all major browsers. So, what we need to do sometimes, we need to change the JavaScript format to JSON format. JSON format is an object format. If you see any kind of JSON format, if you are in the development, I believe you have seen JSON file. This is the structure of a JSON file. Just if we want to convert that, the JavaScript can convert it to a string with JSON method. The method is JSON dot stringify. Okay. Next, we come to constructors. What are the constructors? Okay. Are you guys learned Java anytime? You guys know Java? Anyone? Here knows Java? These are the same. Java constructor topic was in Java in detail also. Okay. This is chat. Close it now. Okay. Here you can see this is an object type person. The person name is first, last, age, I. This is the first name, this is the last name, this is the age, this is the eye color. They have printed it all. Now you use new person to create many new person objects. Now you can say const my further is equal to new person, and here you're creating multiple persons. Okay, mother, sister, myself. How we created that? First, we have created a constructor. The constructor has a name called person. Okay, give a time. The constructor has a name of person. So in this, we have given 4 values. First, last, age, and I. So first, it is the first name of anyone. There is a father, mother, sister, or yourself. This is the last name. This is the age. This is the eye color. Okay. Here you have given that this dot first name will give first. This dot last name will give last. This dot age will give age. This dot eye color will give eye. So how we are implementing it? Here you can see. We are giving a job only the inputs. Okay. This is John Doe 52, Sally Rally 48 green, Anna Rally for 18 green, myself, Johnny Rally 22 green. Okay. Now, if you want to try it yourself, just go here. Here you can see this is the person or name. This is the constructor function for person objects. There's two person objects. Now you have to display that my father is my father age, my father is 50, my mother is 40. You can see here, we have given the value here 50 or 8. You can ask that why we give this dot first name. This is first. This is the first name, and this is the value we have given. This is the first. So it will automatically go to the object called first name is John name. There you can see this is only my father age. If you want to go to my first name, first name, so you can see this is undefined. Maybe we have given a wrong input. Okay. The first is in. Now you can see this is John. Okay. Clear? This is it. Next, we move on to adding a property to an object. Here you can say is my for the nationality. You want to add another object called nationality here. Here you can see English. Okay. How we add? This is the person. Here you can see this is the object. Here is this is the constructor. In this constructor name is person. We are talking about person dot. Okay. In the for here you can see this the nationality is English. My father. This is the object name. Here this is an here you want to only add English, not to the